It is me, and I am going to make some really delicious veggie food. Later on, you'll see even more videos for the entire Diwali season. So I am on my way to visit Freeport Fresh Food Market. This is Chase Village flyover. I am heading south, but you're not going too far because Freeport Fresh Food Market is before Freeport. So as you pass Chase Village flyover, which is after Shogunas, you're going to slow down, keep left, and look out for that little street on the left. And you're going to turn into that street before Freeport. And here we go. This is Freeport Fresh Food Market, and you can find a wide variety of items here. It's like a little mini mart. So once you get in, come along with me, and let's go shopping at Freeport Fresh Food Market. And there's a wide range of fruits and veggies for you to choose from, and really fancy stuff too. So you'll have to check it out. Today I'm actually shopping on the veggie food aisle, and I can't wait to show you guys this recipe and what this dumpling came out like. So it is veggie, and if you're fasting for Diwali, and we're now heading into Navratri period, if you're fasting, it's perfect for that. Or if you're a vegetarian and you just need a nice little snack, definitely try this out. So I'll be making steamed dumplings, and then soon. As I said, guys, there's a wide variety of items here, so more than likely whatever meal you're going to prepare, you can find all your ingredients for it. Okay guys, this is going to be a very simple and quick snack, so I hope that you all try it out. And I have all my ingredients just laid out here for me that I'll need for this particular recipe. I'm gonna chop these things up just a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm gonna open my pack. See what these dumplings. Oh, they're nice and soft actually. So we're going to put these to steam in a little bit. Keeping it on a very low, keeping my heat low. I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame seed oil to. Oops, sorry, I have to open this. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit to my pan here, and I'm going to add some of my dumplings, just let it get nice and golden brown on each side. You don't over fry them, just trying to get that nice golden color, that nice crisp golden color. You just want to just try to get it nice and golden right around as best as you can. And next we're going to add a little bit of water to this. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of water. It's about quarter cup of water, and I'm leaving my heat still nice and low. And I'm going to cover this and just leave it to steam. Okay, while that is cooking, I'm going to prepare my sauce. I'm going to finely grate just a tiny bit of ginger. I'm going to chop maybe 1 or 2 of my pimentos. I'm going to grate my garlic just very, very fine, and just chop up some chives and celery. Yeah, you could peel this if you want to, but I'd rather peel it. But I do wash it really well. So you see, just a little bit. I have a little garlic. Just scrape it a little. Oops! Ah! Really good. Oh, this looks so good. just gonna keep the stove on until this water dries up. Oh, my yummy flavorful goodness here. Have a little bowl. My bowl, I'm gonna add some soy sauce. And my soy sauce, I'm gonna add my ginger, my garlic. I'm gonna add my pimentos, a little bit of chives, a little bit of celery. I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar to this, and a little bit of honey, a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of chili flakes, and give this a stir. So these are perfect. Oh, yummy. Put a little sesame seeds on them. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oops. No sauce. Super crunchy. The filling is delicious. I recommend it. Try it. Head on down to Freeport Fresh Food Market and grab your pack of plant basic dumplings. It's really delicious. Thank you for watching, guys.